So my all the batteries were unbalanced, so I just used this 5 ampere balance board. Yeah, they all had at least 0.01 difference or 0.02 difference. Yeah, it's very easy to connect it. All the battery connections are here. You see here are labeled, so you start at B minus from negative, connect that to negative, and then the common point to battery 1, battery 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then continue with the next plug from 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 16. 17 will be left empty, and then you connect starting from B9 the plug. And then if you want to add a switch, you can see that their edge here, the run edge labeled. You can remove the jumper and add a switch here. Same with here. This can also be used for LTO batteries. Mine is LFP, that's why this LFP is jumped. So after working 3 days, all my batteries are now balanced and they are all showing 3.30 in the BMS board. This I will add it in the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions you can ask and comment it, subscribe and like. Thank you.